Hey guys, all right, we are going to start looking at our teen numbers. So these are our teenager numbers. They have two digits. So before we just had a number that was like the number 9, 8, but these, and they only had one digit, but these numbers have two. Wow. So the first one that we're going to look at is the number 10. 10. It says straight line down, then around with a grin. That's the way you make a 10. So let's look. Straight line down, then around with a grin. That's the way you make a 10. All right, right here shows the number 10, a 1 with a 0. All right, we have 10 fingers. So, oh my gosh, what are we going to do next time we have a new number? We're not going to be able to use our hands anymore. Now we're all out of fingers. We have used up all of our fingers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fingers. Good. So 2 hands equals 10 fingers. Oh my goodness, what else has happened? Look at our tens frame. We've been using this every day. And now let's count our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The whole thing is filled up. Awesome. All right, now these are called tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 5 all together is 10 because we have 5 fingers on each hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 10. Straight line down and then around with a grin. That's the way you make a 10. Bye, guys.